Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check series on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the three line at the upper left corner and just scroll down the series button under the outdoors, tap that. And if you have any series of books or documents, you can find in this page, but actually I don't have any because I just want to read some novels, or I just don't mark as a series. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.